Welcome to Mathematics Magic. This is Shahid Mahmood, and today tutorial I will guide you how to use sort command. The sort command is very useful when you want to arrange your data in alphabetic or in numeric order. So how can we do this? This is very useful for a tabular form. So how can we apply the sort form and where is it in the Word? So you can find the sort command in the home tab in this ribbon, and let's see how to apply the sort command. First, select the column or select the data you want to arrange in ascending or in descending order. Then click on a sort command. The new window is pop up. Here you can see select the column 1. Then you can change the ascending order or descending order. When you select the ascending order, your alphabet is arranged from A to Z. It looks like A, B, C, D, E. Understand? If you don't understand, I will do it again. Just click the Ctrl Z, and the data is in random form, and click select all the data you want to arrange in ascending or in descending form. Click on sort and click the column 1, then OK. The data is automatically arranged in ascending form. If we want to change this data ascending to descending, just click on the sort button and select the column 1 and choose the descending order, then OK. The order is automatically changed. The same formula is applied to the numeric data. Let's see. First I'm going to arrange the numeric data in random order. 2, 1, 4, 5, 3. How can we arrange this data in numeric order? Select the data and click on a sort button, then choose the column 2 and select the ascending order, then click OK. The data is automatically arranged in column 2, then apply. What's happened? Something went wrong, but the same criteria is applied to the numeric data. If your data is arranged in paragraph form, you can select the data in the paragraph and click on the sort button and choose the paragraph, then OK. The data is arranged automatically in ascending form. So if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and share with your friends. Thank you for watching this video.